Alright, I just wanted to talk a little bit about one of the coolest Amiga programs for 8-bit audio and why I think it's the coolest. It's kind of hiding in here. There's a few of these programs that are pretty cool. My good friend Ray shared with me Dr. T's and Mega Low Sound, which I used to use. This actually would sample. It's an 8-bit sampler program, but it would do at 96K. That was kind of cool, and that worked until I got the 16-bit card. But there's this one here that is the same company that made the Sunrise, that made the Studio 16. They made this thing called Audition 4. Here it is. And this thing is like magical. And I'm gonna see if see Sunrise Industries. See if I can find this particular. I was messing around. This is like in 92, 93. I was playing around with the Funky Drummer Beat, which is a pretty famous sample. And I was just actually kind of goofing with it a second ago, and I'm going to see if I can find it again. And it's kind of crazy. Beats. Is this where it was? That's 3 beats. Ray's 19. Ray. Oh, here we go. So here's Funky 19. I don't know why it's called that. There's a whole bunch of these. And I think it's 19 has to do with the sample rate. So, right? And if we turn the loop on, right? So there's the beats. That's the beats. That's just the Funky Drummer Beats, a James Brown thing. Pretty famous. It's gotten used a million times. Here's one of the cool things that this program does, because it's already, this is 8-bit, so it's like, you know, it's already kind of dark and weird sounding. But one of the cool things that you can do is there's this filter, these different kind of things that are here in the menus, and this filter thing is crazy. And so you go try filter. I think we need to go range all, and then try the filter. So there's a low pass, a high pass, a band pass, and a band barrier. But so this is the low pass. And as I move down, you can hear it get darker. But the magic happens. The magic happens way down here, where it's outside. Like, this is not what they had intended. But this is when it gets good. It starts to get really goofy, but man, that is so cool. that's one of the things that it's amazing for. And there's a few other things that it does. It's got like an echo. You can fade and flanging and whatever. And it does do it. It has a sequencer too where you can like select a range and then have it do that 3 times, and then another range that does that 4 times, and that's cool. So you can make it actually play a sample. Another thing, just really quick, because this has already been pretty long. One of my favorite things about this program is that you can, in real time, play the range. And it's this button right here. So it's a great way to find weird loops in samples that you have. So the whole thing, you know, is this. But if you play the range, and in real time you can change that. Anyway, so you get the idea. That's the thing that's so great about it. I wish there was a program that worked in 16-bit, like modern, kind of the modern world, that would do that kind of a cool thing where you can change and in real time be able to play a range and be able to change it like that. It's so cool. Anyways, we're up 8 minutes, so I'm going to give it a break. Alright? Check out more Amiga stuff coming up. It's kind of fun.